Welcome back everyone, it's Tom over at Gaz. This is our YouTube channel. This week we've got a Mini Cooper in the workshop. He uses it for track days. I'll just give you a little glimpse. So here on the track day, I think the original engine give up. We've not actually fully diagnosed it yet. The customer just wanted to put a new engine, well, used engine in it. As he's not long had the vehicle and just lost a bit of faith in the engine. I think it dropped all the oil out. He said it's locked up, so we'll just check that anyway. Yeah, in the meantime, we've managed to source a John Cooper Works engine, which we'll be fitting in. So yeah, we'll go ahead. We'll get it all swapped over, all the auxiliary bits, put a new clutch on there. And then yeah, we'll get it installed. So we'll do some time lapses of the install. So yeah, I hope you guys and girls enjoy. Hello everyone, so we're back on the Mini today. We've got the original engine out. And what we did find with the original engine, when we went to drain the coolant, there's no coolant in there, and then this pipe on the gearbox side, so you got a split in it. So yeah, internal lost all its coolant, overheated, and then I think it's got hot and it has stripped some oil out the rocker box. I don't know if by hand, so we'll probably end up stripping the old engine down to see what damage it's done to it. But this is our John Cooper Works engine ready to go in. We've got some new gaskets, obviously a new hose to go on it. So yeah, get the new engine that's going in it built up, and then we'll get it back in the car. So we got all the Mini engine built up, swapped everything over from the last engine. Easier to swap it whilst it's out the car. A few little upgrades. As it's a track car, we've got rid of the aircon compressor. So yeah, just runs on a pulley now. New water pump while it's off. There's a hose that was split before. So yeah, everything's all bolted on. So we'll go ahead and get it back in the Mini. So we got the Mini engine all in, it's all put back together. While it's in, the customers asked us to fit some coilovers on the front and the rear. So we just put them on while it's on the ramp. So yeah, I've had it all up and running. Yet to give it a road test, but coolant system's all bled up. Go to the aircon pipes. So yeah, we'll get the wheels back on and then give it a quick drive and see how it performs. So I've just got back from giving it a little road test, and yeah, feels a lot more responsive than the original engine. Yeah, brought it back on the ramp, had a quick look round, everything looks fine, temperature's sitting where it should do. While it was out, we did obviously put a new water pump thermostat in it. But yeah, suspension felt good. Took it on some windy roads and seemed to stick to the road alright. The near side front brake caliper is sticking though, so we're just waiting for a new caliper to arrive. And yeah, ready for the customer to take on his track day. So see how he gets on, and then we'll give him a ring next week once he's completed his track day, and see what he thinks. Hopefully there'll be no issues. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this short video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep uploading some more videos for you all.